Good morning. So I wanted to hop on. I'm just finishing up. I'm scrubbing my lips with my sugar scrub, and I'm going to put on a lip stain and a lip plumper. But I thought I would share with you my second why today, why I do what I do. Why am I even bothering with Younique? Why is it important to me? As a woman, as a mom, a wife, I'm an art teacher, and I think that's where it gets, hey, good morning, Molly. I think that's where it gets kind of, hits it on the nose. I am a mom. Hi, Katie. I am a wife. I work full-time now. I have responsibilities around my house. But all in all, I'm an artist. I'm an art teacher. And I really love the extension that this gives me. Because I'm all of those things, I don't have time to sit down and draw portraits. And I don't have time to sit and in a studio and work for hours and hours on some prints or a pot or a painting. I don't have those kinds of time, but I do have time to put my makeup on in the morning. And I do have the opportunity to take a palette as big as I want and pick different colors and different applications and figure things out and put them on the way I want to put them on, right? So I think part of that is an artistic expression. And that's my word today. Actually, it's 2 words. Artistic expression. So if you're watching this, yesterday I put a word at the end of my little video. Today I'm putting one at the end of my little video. Artistic expression, okay? I have the opportunity to utilize my skills as an artist in my daily makeup, or other people's makeup. Doesn't even just have to be mine, just posts that I make, or eyeshadow that I pick for that day. It's that simple. I feel like I can do a little bit more, and feel like I'm getting my artistic stuff in there. Like, I started a new job this summer, or not this summer, this fall, and no offense to the person who said this, I'm not going to call you out on it, but he said, what's Younique? I thought, what is that? And he thought it was some kind of really cool artistic thing. Because I'm the art teacher, he doesn't know me from Adam, right? And I said, no. I mean, it is, but it's a cosmetic company that I have my own business. Oh, and he goes, oh, I thought it'd be something really cool. And I'm like, well, it is really cool for a number of reasons. And clearly you were not privy, which is fine. I'm more than happy to talk about it and share it with you. And I was a little disappointed that he would say that to me, but all in all, I make it what I want it to be, right? So that's lip stain in Smoldering. The one I wanted was a new one, and I don't know where I put it. But this works too. And then I'm going to top it with Jenna, which is one of our lip hotties that came out this summer. I'm going to let it dry though. And so, I have a platform too. I have a platform to discuss what Younique is and what it's about, and I can express myself, and, it's a happy little world here in the Howarder house. So that is my number 2 why. You guys, I exfoliated with this twice this morning because I have very dry lips and I don't have any of the ickies on my lips. I'm just gonna top this off with a lip hottie. And my lips are done. Love it. All right. Y'all have a good day. Stay tuned for tomorrow.